Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the Chinese keyboard on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. But before we proceed with the steps, I want you to know that every Windows 11 computer does not support the Chinese keyboard, even if you have that option in settings. But nonetheless, we will try. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select language and region. Now click on add a language. Search for Chinese. Okay. We'll find different types of Chinese here. Let's say I wish to install this one. I will click on next and then install. I already have Chinese Simplified installed on my computer, so I can show you what happens with it. You'll have to click on these three dots and keep clicking on move up till it reaches the top. The top language is the one which will be the default language of your system. Interestingly, for most of the dialects of Chinese, we have all the 5 options available. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.